A railroad car of mass 1500 kilograms rolls to the right at 4 meters per second and collides with another railroad car of mass 3000 kilograms that is rolling to the left at 3 meters per second. The cars stick together. Their speed immediately after the collision is... Since the two cars stick together, we are talking about a completely inelastic collision, where the final speed is common to the interacting objects. The initial momentum of the system is 6,000 kilogram meter per second plus negative 9,000 kilogram meters per second, or negative 3,000 kilogram meters per second. When we divide this total momentum into the combined mass of the two cars, we have negative 2/3 meters per second. Since they are asking about speed, we can ignore the sign, and the answer is option A.